Hi, this video today is making an origami dog. It's quite an easy dog to do. For today's tutorial you'll need a square of paper. You can have it bigger than that or slightly smaller than that, it doesn't really matter. Scissors if you need to cut out your square, a pen, a scrap piece of paper and some glue. So once you've got your square, make a triangle, and if you've got the point pointing towards you, half it again, and this is going to be your dog ears, so we want them slightly floppy over, and turn it over to the other side so that the ears are similar, and that's going to be your dog ears. Then the bottom triangle we're going to take and turn it up about this amount, roughly, kind of in line with the ears, roughly. Take the other triangle and turn it over and flip it back. This is to just help it stand up. So for this you can use softer card or tougher paper. This is quite soft paper. This is what all I had in the house. So once you've got that, it should look like that. So with the triangle at the front, you just turn another wee triangle down, and what this is going to be is your puppy dog's nose. Okay, so it should look like something like that. So I'm going to now colour in. Now you can colour in any colour. You can have a Dalmatian dog, you can have a spotty dog, you could have a shaggy sheep dog. So you can colour in anything you want, the ears and its face. So I'm just going to colour in its ears. This is what the scrap piece of paper is for, just so that I don't go on to the other bit. And I'm going to make mine a Dalmatian. So I'm just going to do some Dalmatian spots on it. And on the other ear, so they can be any size you like, anything you like, you can squiggle away. You could colour in different dots, different colours. And now I'm going to colour in the black doggy nose. Okay. Oops. Right, and I'm going to draw the dog mouth round like this, and it's got wee dots on them, and it should look something like that. So it should look something like that. I am going to draw the puppy ears, eyes. Okay, now that's it looking like that. If you don't have any glue, you can leave it like that, and you could maybe, if you're lucky, you could maybe stand it up. If you do have glue, you can stick down the doggy nose and stick that bit down as well. So that is your dog. That is it. All finished.